Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to tap the bell icon so that you won't miss any updates from my end. In this video, we are going to see how you can get started with the linker list right from basics to solving the hard level problems. Let's see the path how we can go forward. When you are going to learn about a particular data structure, it's mandatory to know why we need that particular data structure and what use cases, in which use cases we can use the data structure to organize the data and to manage the data in most efficient way. And that is the first step to learn and to get started with the linker list. And then we need to know about what is this linker list. Okay, like why we need this, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this linker list. And if you see here, disadvantages of linker list, and we need to know what are the different operations which we can perform using this linker list, like insert at beginning, deletion at beginning, and so forth. So what are the different, what I can say, comparisons? What is the time complexity which linked list takes inserted beginning? And what about array? What about dynamic array? So this comparison in terms of space and time complexities are most important. And then you can go ahead and start looking at the types of linked list. We have single linked list, double linked list, and how the data will be structured. When you talk about single linked list, so it has two blocks. One is data, other one is next, which points to the next node. Okay, which is a linker. Okay, so the first node will be treated as head, the last node the points to the null. Okay, and double linked list, so where you have this bidirectional flow. Okay, you're going to have this prev and a next, so next is going to point to the next one and prev is going to point to the prev. So like you have circular linked list, so different data, what I can say, different types of linked list you have to know. And once you are get familiarity with this, now you need to work on what are the basic operation on a linked list you can perform. So be it single linked list, double linked list, circular link, whatever it is. So what all things you can do. So you can traverse the list. So why you need to traverse the list? Because you can search for a particular node. So you can delete a node from the list. So deletion can happen at three places: beginning, given position, and end. And likewise the insertion also. And once you get done with these all basic steps, so you are now familiar with the linked list and all the types and their basic operations and their advantages, disadvantages, and time and space complexities, everything you're done. Now it's time to go ahead and see what are the real-time examples of this linked list. Okay, in which scenarios we are going to use on, or else in which real-time applications we are using. So let's example here, image gallery. So you can see, like when you open an image inside a gallery, so you have this left and right slides, right? So left will, what I can say, give you the previous image, right will give you the next image. And likewise, this is what I can say a best example for double linked list. So like browser, a train coaches, so it's a single linked list, like your engine is a head, okay? And for that, like all the coaches will be connected using a kind of, what I can say, iron or something, a linker. Okay, that's a truly real example for the single linker list. And once you are get familiar with the examples, now let's start and perform the basic operation like inserting a node in linked list. Okay, so where your main goal is to insert a node in single linked list. Okay, because most of the times your interviews will be focused on single linked list. So that doesn't mean like you don't need to focus on doubly cycle list, but most of the problems are on single linked list. But you have to focus on double linked list and single. And once you are get done with this, okay, now you after this insert a node, okay, you, what I can say, learn about how you can delete a node from linked list. So be it singly, doubly, circular, and how you can traverse. So once you are familiar with these basic operations, okay, then that's where you actually starts with your problem solving. I mean to say, start solving the problems on linked list data structure. So now you can start with this good problem, which is easy problem, like middle node of the linked list. So it's straightforward. You will be given one linked list. So you need to find the middle node and you need to return answer. I mean that you need to return that middle node. So eventually it will going to have connection with the remaining node. So here you see 3 is the middle node in first example. If I return 3, then 3, 4, 5 is going to be my output. So this is a problem. and likewise you what I can say solve the problems which I am mentioning here in this particular Excel sorry Word document, and I'm going to share this in the description from where you can download this. Okay, and you have this plenty of problems. Add two numbers, which is a good problem, and again you have to find the middle element, and then you have to delete a node without a header pointer. Okay, head pointer I mean to say. So you will be not given a head pointer, but rather you will be given a node and your goal is to delete that particular node. Okay, so how you can delete, and then you have this remove nth node from the end of the list, and so call and so forth, remove the duplicates, and these are all like odd even linked list. And then again you have this wonderful problem like design browser history. This is a kind of system design problem. Okay, so which will what I can say help you to understand how you can leverage this linked list in much better way. Okay, so then you have this famous LRU cache algorithm. Okay, so in order to solve this problem you need to know what is cache. Okay, and how cache is going to help in our real time. Then you need to understand about what is the least recently used. That is nothing but LRU. So it's cache replacement algorithm that removes the least recently used. That means older data in order to make room for the new data. And then you have to what I can say solve this problem. And likewise, if you see a partition list, so the ultimate goal is, so when you start learning a particular data structure, okay, look in this direction. So uh, go with this Word document and see how you can learn the other data structures also. And I have the complete playlist on this all operation like insertion, deletion, traverser, and all the problems which what I can say recorded in this document. Okay, solutions for this all problems I have in my YouTube channel. So I will quickly navigate you through my YouTube channel where I can show you what are the different videos I have so far, so that it will help you to go through. Can able to see there are total 21 videos. Okay, right from introduction to linked list, so where I covered why we need linked list and all the stuff, and then insertion and then deletion, and from there I covered all the problems which defined which recorded in the particular document which I shown so far. So I request you people to start looking into this playlist, and I believe after completing this playlist, you will be in a position to what I can say solve any linked list based problem in an interview. So that's all for this video. So if you have any doubts on this, please do let me know in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you. Before going, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like and tap the bell icon so that you won't miss any updates from my end. Till then, bye bye.